Ka Meghalaya AIDS Control Society hakajinya trelang bat ka office Deputy Commissioner bat kiwe kitanat sarkar mentaka sngi kala Pynkut Noh yaki integrated health campaign ban Jingsumar shaki Paidbah hakaling kishnong bat kijaka jong kadong Ri-Bhoi yak balas dang adu ka khatnyau tarik risau arja arphaulai. Ya ketiga program lawan ban penhap perdano mentaka sngi da uba Miral Bonds im chairman ka Meghalaya State Health Advisory Board jong ka sarkar jala kum ukong san hakajing don lang ka Dr. B. D. Cruz Project Director ka MSCS, Dr. Elmer Thong, Deputy Director MSCS, Dr. Dibla Additional DM&HO ka Ri-Bhoi District, Dr. E. Kalwing District AIDS Control Officer, Ri-Bhoi District, bat kiwe ki officer na kitanat sarkar bapher bat katanat ka kwat ka khya. Ka jingjit jong ka MSCS ya ka Ri-Bhoi District, ka baderu ka Aspirational District, ban penlong kum ketiga judge program hakabede ba ka kwat ka khya, khamtam ban kmi benya ya ki brio ki badan ka jingpang HIV AIDS, kalawan ra shibun ka jingmentoy hakabede ba ka kwat ka khya na ka banta ki Paidbah nong shong shnong hakaleng ki jaka jong ka dong Ri-Bhoi. Ba ki layo ru ban check up yalade ya ki jat jingpang ba pher nadu ka HIV ki benyat TB ki baduna hakidu khatmet bat kiwe klam na don kam ban siu pisa.
As per the report that has been placed and represent, we have seen not less than 23 HIV positive case has been detected so far in Ri-Bhoi district. Since the time we met in East Jainta Hills in Cleria, which is one of the districts with a high rate of HIV positive within the state. Even though Ri-Bhoi, it falls in the category as a low category, but you have taken an initiative to come because we know our district is a vulnerable area, vulnerable district. We share a porous border with Assam. We have a highway which connect 2 to 3 states within northeastern state. We have several industries. We have 2 EPIP campus, one in Unyam, one in Bernihan. We have quite a large number of laborers also who came from outside the state for different purposes that has been entrusted within this district. As we have seen in the past, the data that has been placed, it is quite alarming. There is a campaign, a mantra for say no to drugs, say no to tobacco, say no to plastic, and there are different initiatives that has been taken, not only by the health department, but by different stakeholders, NGOs, civil society, government missionaries, to eradicate many issues that are there within our society. And we are here today to witness this program on the closing ceremony. And I'm not wrong to say that it is a right time that each and every one of us, we have to come together to fight for this noble cause so that our future generation will be in the safe hand. I would like to place on record my sincere thanks, since most of us we are here. Most of you are the health worker within the health department and other agencies which has been entrusted with different tasks.
Prevention is always better than cure, and we have prioritized Ri-Bhoi over other districts for the second integrated health campaign in the state because of the following objectives. Ri-Bhoi is an aspirational district of Meghalaya, and it is sharing a long boundary with Assam, which is having a concentrated at-risk population. It also has the national highway connecting the gateway of Northeast India through Meghalaya to the Barak Valley in Assam, leading to other northeastern states which are having a higher prevalence like our state, that is Manipur, Mizoram, and it also leads to ultimately to Myanmar and the Golden Triangle. Ri-Bhoi also has a high mobility of daily wage laborers, commercial drivers because of the highway, and a number of factory workers working in the different industries present in this district. And we had also conducted the IHC to bring about awareness to the general population of Ri-Bhoi district. As Dr. Talwing had mentioned, Ri-Bhoi has 515 PLHIVs, people living with HIV, but the loss to follow up is a great cause of concern, and the number stands at 99. A little bit on the concept of the integrated health campaign. This is a newer strategy by Mawphor to control, manage, and contain the rising HIV and related infection within a short time period, that is 3 to 6 months. This was taken actually because in recent years, the studies have shown that a large number of cases are actually from the unreached population, that is, the partners of PLHIVs, injecting drug partners, and so on.